And let's talk a little bit about this VBWD. So let's see first, what is this? What is it for? This is a full stack self-hosted SDK for SaaS and online payments. And it is made on Python as a backend, vue.js, let's say it's vue.js with a TypeScript on the front end core, and it has also libraries for Android and iOS, basically also SDK. So let's go further. So we have a so-called plugin system, which means we have the core, it's a Python core, and we solve practical tasks with plugins, except that we have some admin and user dashboard. They're not plugins, they basically the surfaces, the interfaces, admin interface and user interface. So we keep them separately, deliberately, so they should live on different servers or different clouds than it is too big and scaled. And yes, this platform is scalable. So we have a CMS plugin which takes care about all you see on the web, and it also integrates with Android and iOS. I mean, those guys, when you build your applications, you have an access to the pages published with this CMS plugin, and you can see them as they are, or you can see on the core. So it's up to you how you build your application infrastructure. We have also user API. We have, of course, MCP port. Without this, that's 2026. Search engine and LLM engine support. Basically, yeah, and have public access. This is what CMS does. We have token economy inside, which means users, they have balance with tokens and they can pay with tokens, or they can use secure messenger to send tokens to another users. Let's go further. So for whom is this? For whom VBWD, it's something too difficult to say. For whom is VBWD tools? So this is for developers. This is a full stack DevOps friendly SDK. This is for digital agencies. So this is SDK, and you can have passive income, so you earn on developing uncreated integration, and you have passive income from sharing license fees. This is ideal solution for SaaS builders and service providers. This is probably number one about whom we have been thinking when we had been developing this platform. And of course, this is for small and medium business. So, and this is a different solution that you can see on the market. What you can do with this, you can sell subscriptions and access to services or your data. You can sell software, or you can sell software like, to download, or it can be B2B. I'll show you later how it works with the GitHub. You can sell digital books, you can sell booking, let's say time slots, private appointments or rooms or tickets or seats in the webinar or whatever you like. And of course, you can sell physical goods like merchandise, except one point we do not ship with shipping modules, so you have to develop them. But this is for now, this is so far. And you can run a marketplace, or everything I named here, you can sell this in the marketplace mode, which means that your users, your customers can be promoted to become vendors. Let's go further. So, as I said, we have plugin systems, and with plugins, we implement all the functionalities. So we have subscription plugin for keeping subscriptions, and so this is to get recurring charges and sell access to services. We have booking plugin, which this is a booking aggregator. You can build whatever booking aggregator you want on top of this plugin. We have GitHub Repo Manager, which works. I show you how it works here. It manages access to the repo for the DevOps first in mind, and B2B. So we have shop. We're developing a pharma extension business, especially for not pharmaceutical companies, for pharmacies. So this is shop extension with compliance and compliance in different countries. Of course, we have CMS. As I said, it manages everything what we have, what we can see, and MCP to work with agents and LLMs. So, as I say, you can sell software, data, or any content. You can create content, manage internal billing system. You can charge your customers based on volume, how much they use of your content. I think this is interesting. And this is all free. How much does it cost? Boom, it's free. It's free when you play with it, or even you have started your business, your sales less than 6-7 bitcoins a year, then it's free. And then you have to pay some, charges. Okay, again, it's not too much. You have if you between 6-7 and 67 bitcoins a year, then your yearly license for self-hosted to VBWD will be only 0.0137 bitcoins a year, which is literally something about $600 as of May 2026. So, what do we do with this VBWD? Billing and invoicing, client relationship system or management, recurring payments, subscription-based access management to data or digital services, to 42 and even more digital money plugins from all continents. So you can make your service integrated into your community, into your target market. We have modern CMS integrated with iOS SDK and also Android SDK. We have and Android. An internal token economy and internal crypto messenger. Why crypto? Because admin cannot see what you're talking about there. Admin can only see how many tokens you have sent to someone. Let's go further. Special features. This is LLM native. This is a CMS. This is engine. This is e-commerce with LLM native in its core. Understand? This is test-driven first. Where we have everything tested. We even have done a load test. We have solid, developers know what it is. We have solid patterns, clean code, and we ship it with skills and agents for Cloud Code and other coding agents. And what's next? Let's talk about the architecture, how it works. See, they all work on the same pattern. There is a core and there are plugins. There is a core, there are plugins. There's a core, there are plugins. So we have on the front end, we have two surfaces. Admin front end, which have the same core, that it has same core as user front end surface. Same core, absolutely. Different plugins, of course. And front end for user has two surfaces. User dashboard, this is private. We put it private, private user dashboard, and public web access, which is managed by CMS plugin you have seen. Also for apps, we have SDK and also plugins. We have plugins for everything. The same for Android. So all plugins on all platforms except for, of course, the mobile ones. But those three, which are backends and two front ends, they have same contract, same plugin contract. So every plugin has this config and admin config. So you have very flexible machine engine to configure your plugins, to customize your solutions. Tech requirements. What you need? Well, I run this on the quite simple VPS. I pay about 18 euro monthly. This is a Hostinger, and so this is 2-core. So there's 2-core CPU, 8 gigabytes RAM. I have even less disk than 100. So it can withstand. This is top on this for 18 euro. 1,000 concurrent requests per second, you understand, which means to reach this, you need 30,000 or 50,000 users which chat and sometimes quite active. Like, let's say they all went to the same football event and they all chat from time to time, So I don't believe that you even know it's really big amount. So in totally, this platform is very fast, incredibly fast, even with high load. And we have measured that 1,000 lines of data. When you do import, let's say you import catalog, then it takes only 35-40 minutes. And the performance of the front end stays on the same level. This is absolutely remarkable. You'll not find this among other platforms, among other open source platforms or e-commerce platforms ever on the planet. So, as I said, quality is, we have a special feature. Okay, I thought about this. Special feature. Lambda native will be like this. We spoke about this. So, it's shipped with the skills and agents. It's fully documented. It's open source. And here where you can start. So, let's go to the next chapter.